These are common words needed for conversation in Welsh. If you know these 500 words, and you listen to a Welsh conversation, you will be able to understand much of what is being said. Let's go. In also modifies verbs like English ing and adjectives like li. Un. The. A. Er. A. To. For. Also a me pronoun ending. E. And. A. Ag. How are you? From Shitmai, literally, how is it? Shmai. From, of. O. On. Ar. Him, her. E. To live. Byw. Apple. Avol. Nose. Trwyn. Was, were. Roedd. To be. That. Bod. There is, there are. Is. My. For, at. Around. Am. Past. Used before verbs. Wedi. But. Ond. One. In. Him, her, after a vowel at the end of a word. E. There. E. By, with. Gone. Like, as. Vel. In a. Mewn. With. To get. To have. To let. Kyle. Is. Ew. Near. By. Against. Wrth. Us. We. Ni. This. Neuter. Hin. Than. Na. Behind. Post. All. That. These. Honey. He, him. Ve. O. Though. Since. Or. Nay. No. Not. Need. At. directional and purpose-wise. At, which is, that is, sydd, see, sydd, see, to break, to cut, torri, her, she, he, nothing, not, zero, dim, to go, mend, would be, he, she, it, byddai, with, gyda, empty, gwag, very, okay, iawn, every, each, pob, place, spot, lle, when, used descriptively and linking words, pan, had been, form of to be, work, gwaith, big, mawr, some, rai, to understand, deall, my, va, will be, he, she, it, bydd, to do, to make, gwneud, Wales, Cymru, length, duration, time, up to, heed, also, as well, hefyd, me, I, me, vi, that is, which is, my, to see, gweld, to answer, ateb, through, trwy, Welsh language, Cymraeg, for him, to him, iddo, another, other, arall, that, then, yna, to die, marw, more, bigger, mwy, they, them, nhw, our, ein, this, masculine, hwn, old, hen, as, so, mor, here, yma, before, kin, must, ride, no, not, nad, people, pobl, to, die, part, run, a lot, much, llawer, you formal, y'all, you plural, chi, if, os, to give, to put, roi, came, he, she, it, daeth, self, slumber, heen, first, cynta, new, just did something, newydd, therefore, so, felly, over, dros, some, rhyw, head, pen, said, he, she, it, dwedai, world, bead, there, uno, to come, dod, with, before a vowel, ag, without, heb, by, time, space, erbyn, what, thing, beth, language, iaith, for, purpose, ar gyfer, children, plant, to say, dweud, between, rhwng, turn, time, tro, others, eraill, thing, some, peth, good, da, type, kind, math, yes, is there, there is, a quantity of, oes, small, little, bach, way, road, ffordd, street, stryd, school, ladder, ysgol, to think, thought, meddwl, meddwl, man, dyn, dyn. Age of a person or physical thing. Oed, oed. That, masculine. Hwnnw, hwnnw. Time. Amser, amser. Enough. Digon, digon. Out, northern. Allan, allan. Out, southern. Mas, mas. Yet, again. Eto, eto. This feminine. Horn, horn. Under, usually after o. Dan, o dan. Dan, o dan. To start, to begin. Dechra, dechra. To commence, start machinery. Cychwyn, cychwyn. Any. Unrhyw, unrhyw. Most. Mwya, mwya. When, time. Pryd, pryd. Country, glad, glad. True, truth. Gwir, gwir. There is, that is. Dyna, dyna. Special. Arbennig, arbennig. A blessing. Bendith, bendith. To, feminine. Dwy, dwy. This is. Dyma, dyma. A period of time. Cyfnod, cyfnod. Only, lonely. Unig, unig. Life, bywyd, bywyd. History, hanes, hanes. All, holl, holl. You, singular familiar. T, t. For the sake of, in order to. Adamween, adamween. From her, it. Othi, othi. That, feminine. Hono, hono. Top, tip of. Blind, blind. Range of. Breadth. Ystod, ystod. Went, he, she, it. Aeth, aeth. Everyone. Pawb, pawb. Day, not 24 hours, but the bright half. Dydd, dydd. Education. Addysg, addysg. Your, formal plural. Eich, eich. To her, to it. Iddi, iddi. Ahead, forward. Ymlaen, ymlaen. Because. Oherwydd, oherwydd. Year. Blwyddyn, blwyddyn. Father. Tad, tad. Got, he, she, it. Cafodd, cafodd. Different, various. Gwahanol, gwahanol. Name. Enw, enw, side, edge, t, to catch, continuing to be, doll, namely, not exactly as in English, introduces after a pause. Sev, to keep, cadw, raise, lift, wake, codi, to look, edrych, means of, mode, modd, a need, angen, mother, mam, hand, llaw, a pair of hands, dwylo, sky, awyr, your informal singular, da, number of, nifer, was not, he, she, it, doedd, night, nos, no one, nobody, neb, to use, defnyddio, similar, akin to, tebyg, end, diwedd, a little bit, ychydig, years, blynyddoedd, a century, canrif, afterwards, then, wedyn, could, he, she, it, gallai, to chat, sgwrsio, things, stuff, petha, middle, canol, to learn, to teach, dysgu, to them, for them, iddyn nhw, to hear, clywed, counsel, advice, cyngor, chief, main, head of, prif, contents, cynnwys, church, eglwys, reciprocal, together, each other, gilydd, i gilydd, to become night, nosi, to turn, troi, house, tea, how, shut, co, joined, keyed, half, hanner, leg, cois, place, man, man. Cars, future tense of to get, have, impersonal. Cer, cer. To try. Ceisio, ceisio. On him, it. Arno, arno. To arrive. Cyrraedd, cyrraedd. Shovel, spade. Raw, raw. Can, he, she, it. Gall, gall. It can be done. Gellir, gellir. Once. Unwaith, unwaith. Second. Isle, isle. Whole, total. Cwbl, cwbl. Down, lawr, lawr. Not, used in the middle of a sentence. Nag, nag. To know a fact or thing. Gwybod, gwybod. To know a person or place. Nabod, nabod. Up to, until. Nes, nes. Which, question. Pa, pa. Hour, hour, hour. Around, physical. About, time. Tia, tia. Month, pronounced mish in the south. Mis, mis. Wolf, blithe, blithe. Water, dŵr, dŵr. To work. Gweithio, gweithio. To be able to. Gallu, gallu. Garden, gardd, gardd. Sandwich, brechdan, brechdan. Word, gair, gair. Meeting. Cyfarfod, cyfarfod. Long. Here, here. Short. Beer, beer. Today. Heddiw, heddiw. Full. Llawn, llawn. Back, ridge. Kevin, Kevin. Obvious, apparent. Amlwg, amlwg. God. Duw, duw. Something. Rhywbeth, rhywbeth. Mouth, keg, keg. Family, teulu, teulu. Hill, bryn, bryn. Book, llyfr, llyfr. Of them, from them. Ohonyn nhw, ohonyn nhw. Ethnic nation. Cenedl, cenedl. Site. Golwg, golwg. Now. Rwan, northern. Nawr, southern. Rwan, nawr. 3. Tree, tree. Committee. Pwyllgor, pwyllgor. Ever, when emphasized, never. Byth, byth. Better. Gwell, gwell. Morning. Bore, bore. To happen. Digwydd, digwydd. Local. Lleol, lleol. To leave. Gadael, gadael. Husband, respectable man. Gŵr, gŵr. To show. Dangos, dangos. Side. Ochr, ochr. Face, surface. Wyneb, wyneb. To talk, to speak. Siarad, siarad. Opportunity, chance. Cyfle, cyfle. To develop, unfold over time. Datblygu, datblygu. Maybe, perhaps. Efallai, efallai. A light. Gola, gola. Wife. Gwraig, gwraig. To remember. Cofio, cofio. To read. Darllen, darllen. Soil. Pridd, pridd. Land as in the physical thing, not as in coming ashore. Tir, tir. Lest, for, use against, before. Rag, rag. To change. Newid, newid. Whole, complete. Cyfan, cyfan. To take. Cymryd, cymryd. Member, limb. Aelod, aelod. To beat, to fling. To stamp, to hit. To cast off. Bwrw, bwrw. He has, by him. Ganddo, ganddo. Field, pitch, ground. Maes, maes. English language. Saesneg, saesneg. Reason, cause, because, occasion. Achos, achos. Best. Gora, gora. Finger. Bis, bis. Important. Pwysig, pwysig. If, conditional. Pe, pe. Birds. Adar, adar. Rope. Raf, raf. White, masculine. Gwyn, gwyn. White, feminine. Gwen, gwen. To ask. Govin, govin. A length of 24 hours, a day, not just the light half. Diwrnod, diwrnod. Tongue, tafod, tafod. Story, story, story. Teacher, athro, athro. To wait, to stay. Aros, aros. As much as, so many. Cymaint, cymaint. Door, drws, drws. To notice, sylw, sylw. To follow, dilyn, dilyn. Class, dosbarth, dosbarth. To move, symud, symud. Political party, group. Plaid, plaid. Ever, erioed, erioed. Young, ifanc, ifanc. Houses, tai, tai. Far, pell, pell. War, rhyfel, rhyfel. To call, galw, galw. In connection with, ynglŷn â. Breast, almost. Bron, bron. Maid, he, she, it. Gnaeth, gnaeth. Beer, cwrw, cwrw. Spoon, llwy, llwy. Since, a time. Ers, ers. Whilst, tra, tra. To pull, tynnu, tynnu. County, sir, sir. Men, dynion, dynion. College, coleg, coleg. Welsh people, Cymru, Cymru. Girl, daughter. Merch, merch. To grind, to talk nonsense. Molly, molly. Distance, pellter, pellter. Willing, ready, prepared. Parod, parod. Someone, somebody. Rywun, rywun. Paper, papier, papier. With Northwest dialect. Efo, efo. Welsh in style. Cymreig, Cymreig. Sea, ocean. Môr, môr. To offer, cynnig, cynnig. To support, maintain, hold an event. Cynnal, cynnal. A cup of tea, northern. Paned, paned. River, avon, avon. To set, to lay. Gosod, gosod. It is it. Ydy, ydy. Company, cwmni, cwmni. Silver, money. Arian, arian. To mention. Sôn, sôn. Mushroom, madarchen, madarchen. Example, enghraifft, enghraifft. Food, bwyd, bwyd. Pregnant, beichiog, beichiog. To ensure, sicrhau, sicrhau. Bed, gwely, gwely. To discuss, to handle. Trafod, trafod. To sing. Canu, canu. Like a snail, very slowly. Fel malwen, fel malwen. Towards, tiag, tiag. Fair, teg, teg. Selves, hinan, hinan. Chapel, capel, capel. Situation, circumstance. Sefyllfa, sefyllfa. Will come, he, she, it. Daw, daw. To play, play as a thing. Sport. Chwarae, chwarae. Home. Cartre, cartre. Be quiet. Taw, taw. Plan, scheme. Cynllun, cynllun. Often. Aml, aml. Directly, exactly. Yn union, yn union. Next, nesa, nesa. To create, creu, creu. South, right side. De, de. Less, llai, llai. Town, tre, tre. Week, wythnos, wythnos. Said, he, she, it. Dwedodd, dwedodd. Lunch, cinio, cinio. Evening, noson, noson. Since the turning of the world, not for a while. Ers tro byd, ers tro byd. Goodness, dione, dione. Several, many. Soul, soul. Eyes. Llygaid, llygaid. Three, feminine. Tair, tair. Experience, profiad, profiad. Nature, natur, natur. Chair, cadair, cadair. Was obtained, was got. Cafwyd, cafwyd. Wait, expect. Disgwyl, disgwyl. Body, corff, corff. Rare, scarce, bryn, bryn, girls, daughters, merched, merched, as well as, in addition to, yn ogystal â, yn ogystal â, up, fyny, fyny, hair, only upon the head of humans, gwallt, gwallt, common, cyffredin, cyffredin, thickness of a hair, a very narrow miss, trwchblewyn, trwchblewyn, a few, ambell, ambell, there are not, there is not, dois, dois, to be used to, arfer, arfer, lately, yn ddiweddar, yn ddiweddar, order, system, arrangement, trefyn, trefyn, grass, gwellt, gwellt, opinion, judgment, barn, barn, early, cynnar, cynnar, on her, it, arni, arni, song, can, can, why, pam, pam, sun, mab, mab, to cease, to stop, pedio, pedio, to, extreme, ri, ri, choice, to choose, dewis, dewis, service, gwasanaeth, gwasanaeth, other, llall, llall, to walk, cerdded, cerdded, worth, value, gwerth, gwerth, office, swyddfa, swyddfa, difficult, anodd, anodd, should, impersonal, dilyd, dilyd, easy, hawdd, hawdd, aid, assistance, cymorth, cymorth, bone, esgwrn, esgwrn, rather than, yn hytrach, last of, ola, ola, to lose, colli, colli, to believe, credu, credu, to consider, ystyried, ystyried, happy, hapus, hapus, era, moment in time, adeg, adeg, the high street, the main street, ystryd fawr, ystryd fawr, to drive, gyrru, gyrru, blue, newly green, fresh, young, glass, glass, trees, coed, coed, government, llywodraeth, llywodraeth, blame, by, bread, bara, bara, meet, Keeg, Keeg, society, Cymdeithas, Cymdeithas, table, bwrdd, bwrdd, could be, gellid, gellid, long past due, high time, literally old time, henbryd, henbryd, high, uchel, uchel, above, uwch, uwch, official, person, swyddog, swyddog, last one, diwetha, diwetha, low, isel, isel, address, direction, cyfeiriad, cyfeiriad, I was, yes, I was, oeddwn, oeddwn, child, plentyn, plentyn, who, pwy, pwy, for sale, ar werth, ar werth, quick, cyflym, cyflym, to sit, stay put, eistedd, eistedd, smallest, lleia, lleia, to feel, teimlo, teimlo, black, d, d, about, for him, for it, amdano, amdano, past in terms of direction, hebio, hebio, everything, popeth, popeth, should, he, she, it, dylai, dylai, summer, ha, ha, voice, llais, llais, picture, image, llun, llun, Sunday, dydd Sul, dydd Sul, and so on, agati, agati, secure, sure, seeker, seeker, voyage, journey, tithe, tithe, in it, him, ynddo, ynddo, red, coch, coch, interest, diddordeb, diddordeb, thank you, diolch, diolch, already, eisoes, eisoes, to us, for us, ini, ini, program, raglen, raglen, these, rhain, rhain, room, in a building, ystafell, ystafell, to eat, bwyta, bwyta, fear, oven, oven, to stand, sefyll, sefyll, to run, rhedeg, rhedeg, to belong, perthyn, perthyn, over there, draw, draw, sweet, melis, melis, near, close, agos, agos, rather somewhat, go, go, Britain, Prydain, Prydain. Wind, gwynt, gwynt. North, gogledd, gogledd. Talent, skill. Down, down. Feet, tried, tried. To pay, tolly, tolly. Smoke, moog, moog. Mast, ride, ride. Window, ffenestr, ffenestr. To drink, yfed, yfed. Arm, braich, braich. Sleep, cwsg, cwsg. Hospital, ysbyty, ysbyty. 100, cant, cant. 10, deg, deg. Imagination, dychymyg, dychymyg. To press, way, pwyso, pwyso. One by one. Veseline, veseline. Brother, brawd, brawd. To open, agor, agor. Dog, key, key. Milk, llaeth, llaeth.